Every website you've ever opened is running on a computer you've probably never seen. I didn't really think about that until the first time I deployed one of my own. Git push. Enter. The terminal came alive. Building. Uploading. Deploying. Your site is live. I clicked the link. It worked. Same website, same code. I smiled, closed VS Code, closed the terminal, shut my laptop, and walked away. A minute later, my phone buzzed. I unlocked it, opened the same link, and it loaded instantly. I refreshed the page. Still there. I refreshed it again. Still there. I remember staring at the screen for a second, almost expecting it to disappear. My computer was off. So, who was running my website? I wasn't. My laptop wasn't. Somewhere in the world, another computer had quietly taken over. Deployment hadn't sent my code into the internet. It had moved it onto another computer that never went to sleep. That's a server. Every time someone opens my website, they're talking to that machine. Not mine, but to the server. It does the work, sends back the answer, then quietly waits for the next request. Then another thought hit me. If my tiny project needed another computer, what happens when millions of people open the same app at the same time? One computer could never keep up. So companies don't rely on one. They rely on thousands. Row after row of machines inside enormous buildings spread across the world, all waiting for the next request. Somewhere inside one of those buildings, another tiny light turns on as someone clicks a link. We gave that entire system a name that sounds almost magical: the cloud. But there's nothing magical about it, just computers. Now, whenever I press deploy, I picture one more light turning on somewhere in the world. Then I unlock my phone, open my website one last time, and for the first time, I know exactly who's answering.